welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Jill, and today is a very exciting but also stressful day because we are packing for Walt Disney World. This is a very different trip than what I normally go on. So I am going with my best friend Cassidy and her husband Kevin, which I guess kind of makes him my best friend-in-law. There's something there. This is where it gets a little confusing. So we were going for about 9 days, I think, including travel days, so 7 full days. However, I woke up this morning, today is Sunday, and I woke up and I was checking the weather. I always check the weather both here and in Florida just to know I was gonna start planning my outfits today and stuff like that. I saw that the day that we were going to be staying at the airport hotel before going to our flight in the morning was a massive snowstorm. If you watched my New York videos, I had terrible luck with my flights, with weather, with cancellations, with all of these things. And so I have a lot of trauma around flying now, especially because that was only a week ago. So I kind of freaked out and I was thinking, what can I do? What should I do? Because obviously I'm working this week. And so I was going to be going to the hotel on Friday and then flying out for Saturday morning. And I was like, you know what? I just want to get to Florida. I just want to be there. If snow comes or whatever, I'll be there. So I ended up calling Avion, who I booked my flight package with, and I was able to switch my flight to Tuesday, from Saturday to Tuesday. That seems like a crazy leap of what were you thinking? There's reasons, there are work things that I want it to be settled in order to have these meetings and, do these work things I had to do. So I figured it was better to get there early. Also, all the direct flights were sold out for Thursday. For Wednesday, I would have to pay $700 in a fare change, and on Tuesday, I only had to pay $100. So I ended up switching to Tuesday. So that means I am getting there Tuesday afternoon. I think I land at noon. I'll be working that day on the plane, working when I get there, and then I'm working on Wednesday and on Thursday, and then Friday I am off, so I will just have that day, and then Cassidy and Kevin will meet me there on Saturday. It's not ideal. It's not what I wanted, but my stress levels and for my mental health, this is what works for me. So I know this is insane, and I know that some people would be like, just wait and see if the weather actually does anything, but I would have been a mess this whole week. So that's what I did. So that means, like I said, it's Sunday. That means I'm leaving on Tuesday. I'm gonna leave my house around 4:45 in the morning. So I have Monday. So instead of just planning my outfits today, I'm packing. So that's why it's a little bit stressful. But that being said, I'm so excited to go to Disney with Cassidy and Kevin. Cassidy and I actually met when we both worked at Disney in 2015. And obviously she then married Kevin, who is now, like I said, my best friend-in-law. So I'm just so excited to be back at Disney with her and with Kevin for the first time. Kevin has only been to Disney World one other time before this, last year. So it's just gonna be so much fun. And I am working this week while there, but isn't it better to be working from Disney than to be working from anywhere else? Yes. All that being said, all that craziness, it has been a crazy morning, but I have put all of my clothes on my bed. So this probably looks kind of crazy, but I have all of my outfits lined up, and I'm really, really trying not to overpack this time. I know it doesn't look like that, but I am, because now I will be there for 11 full days plus the half day when I land. So many more days of packing than I was anticipating. But we have all of my outfits here. Everything from keychains are here, ears, outfits, shoes, socks, everything. And then this is my little pile of extras. So I'm packing an extra outfit, extra pair of ears, maybe extra underwear, socks, bra, things like that. In this bag is random things, my Mickey sunglasses, my loop earplugs. What else is in here? I've got Band-Aids. I have my little teasing comb. So just random things that I wanted to keep all together. If you've seen me pack before, I love packing cubes. I love little things to keep things organized. I also have this, what's it called? A little crate. I use that in the bathroom so that all of my hair products or makeup things can stay in one place and not be like all over bothering everybody. So I also have my wet bathing suit bag just in case it's wet when I pack to come home. I have 2 hair tools, a waver and a curler, and then 2 bathing suits, sandals, and 2 pairs of pajamas and my Lululemon belt bag. I will also take a Uniqlo bag, but that's going to be my purse. And I have over here my makeup packed, but I will have to use this, but everything is in there for all of my everyday makeup needs. I also have my laptop here with my packing list, and I have my iPad. Everything is like charging and getting ready. My book, I have all those things on my packing list so I don't forget them when the time comes. And then I have this little section. This is my camera bag that I am filming on right now. I have cream and I have my brush that I will pack whenever I've used it for the last time. Other things over here, I have my backpack, so this will be like my carry-on. And in here already, I have a few things. I have my Magic Band charger, my sunglasses, my glasses, my passport, and then in here I have my little bag that has all my charging paraphernalia in there for everything I have. These are my packing cubes that I will be using, and I am using my large away suitcase and the bigger carry-on, but I am checking both of them because I have 2 free checked bags. That's a lot. But these are all summer clothes, so they roll up really nicely in my packing cubes. Always roll, even if you're using packing cubes. So I'm going to start putting these in my packing cubes and then seeing how they fit into my luggage. It's always difficult. Like I said, I'm leaving at 4:30 or 4:45 from my house. So I need to like get ready that morning and use my things the night before. So I have my packing list to make sure I grab the things that I don't already have in bags. So I have like my toiletry bag in the bathroom ready to go, but like using things out of it, my makeup, things like that. So I really rely on that packing list, and I'll just show you. This is kind of what I do. So I will put check marks by the things that I've already packed. I'll put these circles by things that I need to grab, and then I'll put X's by anything that I am just not taking that time, so that I can just look at that list and know exactly what I have to grab. Now that we have everything here on the bed, ready to go, I'm going to start packing it and seeing how that goes. So I have, since my mom isn't coming with me this time, I have my packing cubes and I have hers. So I'm using the biggest one from both of our sets to see if that's all I need. So basically what I do, I take my packing cube and I just start rolling stuff up, and I put as much in there as I can get in there. So let's do it. Obviously, I'm not going to pack my travel day outfit, so I'm going to start from the other side. I sometimes do it where I am rolling and packing like by outfit, and other times I roll and pack by type of thing, like shorts, t-shirts, that kind of thing. But for now, I think I will do by day, by outfit, and I will obviously be unpacking when I get there. I will be checking into my room by myself for how many nights? 4 nights, and then I will be moving over to stay with Cassie and Kevin in our room. So we are staying at All Star Sports, and I was able to also get a reservation for All Star Sports for myself. So I'll just have to change rooms, but I won't have to change resorts, which is really nice. And I'm so excited because we have so much planned for this trip. We got our lightning lanes yesterday. I booked those, and I think we have some really good ones, so I'm excited for that. One other super exciting thing is we have a reservation for Beacon Barrel at Magic Kingdom, and my mom and I did that in October when we went, but Cassie and Kevin have not done that before, so that is super exciting. We loved it there. And other than that, it's Flower and Garden, so that's exciting, and we're just, you know, doing what we can do. So it'll be a fun, but also kind of laid back, having some pool time kind of trip. So I'm very excited. Here is one packing cube. Now I'll get the other big one here. Last time I packed, like I said, was for my New York trip, and packing for cold weather is a lot different from rolling up like sundresses and stuff. They take up a lot less room. I didn't roll those things. don't come for me. Packing cube number 2. Now I'm going to use this next biggest size that I have, and I'm going to use that for my pajamas, my extra socks and underwear, my bathing suits, all of that. I have these really fun Cruella pajamas, of course. And then I also got these really cute Chelsea Piers ones that have like little swimming ladies on them, and I think they're so cute. And 2 bathing suits. And I have some more room in this one, so I'm going to put my keychains. Marie is already on my purse that I'm going to use, but I have these 3 others that are coming: Dumbo, Winnie, and Remy. I think I have another Marie. Where is she? There she is. And my Cherry Blossom Marie. So yes, I have a problem, but they are so cute, so they're coming with me. I think they might be able to fit in here. Some of them still have tags on them because I literally bought them in New York. There's that one, and now the next packing cube is going to be this smaller one. Maybe I might have to get Mom's medium size one. But I'm going to put my 2 hats that I have, and I am taking definitely these 3 ears. I was going to take my Scarlet Witch ones because I just love them so much, but I don't know. Honestly, I think I'm okay with those 3 and these 2 hats. I mean, how much headwear does one person really need, you know? So we'll go with that, and we'll put my Lulu bag in there as well if it will fit. Perfect. Let's see what we have here now. We have 2 big clothing packing cubes. This is accessories, pajamas, bathing suits, extra socks, extra underwear. We have my Crocs and my belt. We have sandals. And then we have our little section of hair tools, miscellaneous, little bag, bikini bag, storage for the room. These unfortunately are not making it this time. I love them, but not this time. Not every year, every time. This is my travel day outfit. So I'm wearing my sneakers and a sweater with some leggings. I have my socks, and then I have my cute little Apple Watch band that I will put on, and then I have my jewelry here. I have some necklaces up here. I have one of my Pandora bracelets, and then my little Words Project bracelets, which probably I will wear day of. And I have just a few earrings, my Pandora opener in case I have trouble, my Marvel bracelet from Pandora, which I will also probably wear, and then a few rings. So that's what I'm wearing. I might figure out what I want to wear on the travel day and keep it out. There's everything. And like when you see it out on the bed like this and you're like, okay, this pile and this pile, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. We do have the toiletries and blah, blah, blah. But now I'm going to open up my suitcases and put things in there. I would have loved it if I could have packed my carry-on and like had that in here, but that's not going to work this time. I did that in October and it was great, but I only went for like 3 nights in October, so much less time. We're gonna start with a big packing cube. There's one side, maybe, we'll see. Oh yeah, I have tons of room. Okay. In this big suitcase, I'm going to keep some room here. So this will be for my toiletry bag, for my makeup. That's probably it. So there's that. Zip it up for now. Scoot that out of the way. In my carry-on, I will put this packing cube. Really don't have much to put in here. My mom got us Easter candy because it's Easter when we're there. Shh, don't tell Cassidy and Kevin, it's a surprise. My belt. So there is that side. And then we have this random stuff. If you've ever seen my hauls after I go on trips, you'll know it's probably a good thing that I have extra room because I do like to do some shopping. I have my big suitcase packed up, little suitcase. I haven't fully zipped them up yet just in case I forgot something. In my backpack, I will have my laptop, my iPad, those chargers, my book, my Kobo if I take it. I haven't decided what I'm reading yet. I will have my camera bag, this camera. I will have to pack this in a suitcase, this in my toiletry bag. This will have to go in my big suitcase, plus my toiletry bag from the bathroom. Morning of, I'll have to get this charger, but obviously I'm using it up until that point. I will have to just finish charging, like I said, my iPad and stuff, and put the charger. The charger's already packed in my backpack, but I will take that out, charge it all, put it in there. Same with my laptop. And then just looking at my packing list, basically it's a lot of toiletries. It's like my contacts and my solution, my makeup, face cream, toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, hairspray. I might paint my nails and then I will want to pack that nail polish in case it chips, my hairbrush, and my chargers. So there we have it. I have said this the last few times that I've packed, but it feels easier than I was expecting it to. It's kind of scary, but I think that's it. I think that's everything. So it was a bit of a stressful day, getting all this together, calling Avion, making those changes, trying to work out if I'm overreacting, which I know I kind of am. It's just who I am. It's my anxiety, it's all of that. So I totally understand if you think I am overreacting and I'm being crazy and it's ridiculous to add 4 days to a trip over the weather calling for snow, but it's what I had to do for my mental state. I'm just so excited for this trip. I'm going to vlog the whole thing with Cassidy and Kevin, so we will have some new characters on the vlogs, which is very exciting. But yeah, I guess that is it. Quick and painless. So thank you so much for packing with me for Disney World. Make sure you're subscribed to see all of the upcoming vlogs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!